In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add work experience in FlowCV. First, go ahead and choose the resume you want to work on. Once it's open, head over to the Content tab and then click Add Content. From the list of options here, go ahead and select Professional Experience. Quick disclaimer before we continue. Everything you're seeing right now is completely made up and just for demonstration purposes. This is simply to show you how the section works. From here, you can start listing down the work experiences you've had. Fill in the details needed, like your job title, employer, start and end dates, and any other relevant information. You can also add a job description to explain what you did in that role. Pro tip here, try to focus on work experiences that are actually relevant to the job you're applying for. That way, your resume stays clear and targeted. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just click Done. Now, I'll add another work experience entry so you can see how it looks when you have multiple jobs listed. Just repeat the same steps you did earlier, fill in the details, and click Done again. One really convenient thing about FlowCV is that you can toggle entries on and off, change how they're displayed, and even rearrange them by drag-clicking to put them in your preferred order. Once you're done, go ahead and review your resume one last time, and that's how you add work experience in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.